Assalamualaikum class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great at your home. This is computer lesson. Welcome to computer lesson. My dear class, let's start our lesson with date and day. Aisha, tell me what is the date today? Today is 13 August 2025. In the Urdu we can say 13 August 2025. And who can tell me what is the date tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow is 14th August 2025. What happened on 14th August? Exactly, we got independence on 14th August 1947. Who are prepared to celebrate Independence Day? Uzaifa, you decorate your house with flags. Or anybody else? Hamdan, you buy new clothes. Okay. Who can tell me what is the day today? Good. Today is Wednesday. And in the Urdu we can say today is Buddh. Does anyone know what is the day today in Islamic calendar? Exactly. 18 Safar 1447. And the day in Islamic calendar is Yawmul Arba. Now let's start our lesson. Firstly, we will revise our previous lesson. I asked some question from you. Who wants to answer the question? Ahmed, very excited. Okay, you tell me, what is difference between data and information? Excellent. Data is the raw facts, numbers and words, while the information is processed data, or we can say data is organized form. Who will give the example of data and information? Good answer. The green and white color are example of data. While when we say the Pakistani flag has color green and white, it's mean it is information. Abdullah, can you tell me what are icons? Good answer. Icons are small images that represent apps and programs on the computer screen or maybe on mobile phone. Yes, on the mobile phone also. We can say small images that are represented on mobile phone are also called icons. Who can tell me what is the calendar app used for? Aliza, tell me. Exactly. Calendar app can be used to track our appointments, meetings and events. It also used to mark for different occasions like test, sport day, holiday, birthday, etc. Today we will discuss calculator app and notepad app. Let's start. Who can guess why calculator app is used? Excellent. Calculator app can be used to solve math problems. Okay. To open the calculator app, we will click on the window icon and here we can search the calculator. Here is the calculator. Calculator app is open now. It shows numbers and function. 7, 8, 9, 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3 are the numbers, while addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are the functions. It also have some special keys like MC, MR, CE, CA, etc. We can find product of 85 and 39. We will press 85 multiply 39 equals to, this will give answer 3315, yani 3315. To store this number in our memory, we will press M plus. M plus means to add an entry to calculator memory. Okay, to remove the entire display, we will click on C button. C means clear and CE means to remove the last number. For example, if we enter 34 division 2 and we want to remove the last number 2, we will press on CE. When we want to memory recall, we will press MR. Here is the recall memory. When we want to remove the memory, we will press on M minus. It means the memory will remove from memory recall. Here is no memory recall. Let's start to solve page number 22 task. Solve the following word problem using calculator app. A class is doing an activity in group. There are 5 groups of 4 students. How many students are there in class? It means 5 is multiplied by 4 and the answer will 20. And the second question is, the school is being decorated for the new school year. There are 19 classrooms in the school. On the ground floor, there are 8 classrooms and the rest are the first floor. How many class on the first floor? We can subtract 19 with the 8. The answer will be, what is the answer? Who can guess? Exactly, the answer is 11. Everybody got it? How the calculator app is used? Excellent. Now we will start the Notepad app. Okay, let's start with the Notepad app. Okay, who can tell me what is Notepad app? Exactly, Notepad app is never ending notebook. What is the use of Notepad? We can use Notepad to make lists for remembering things. Exactly. Okay, to open the Notepad app, we will click on window icon, search here Notepad. Here is the Notepad. On the top of Notepad app, there is a title bar. This shows the name of file. Here is the below. This is menu bar and it has 5 menus like file, edit, format, view, help. File. File menu is used to open, save and print a file. When we click on edit, edit is used to replace or go to for special word. Format menu is used to change the font. View menu. View menu is used to zoom in or zoom out. Help menu. Help menu is used to access online help about Notepad. When we want to create a document, like I want to write something such as, I am writing, my name is Aisha, I teach you computer. Computer is an electronic device. It is used in many places like at home, hospitals, schools, etc. This is a document. When we want to change its format, we will select this all and change the format, font size. Here I am clicking the font style, font size, etc. will be open. I want to write in this handwriting and I want to bold it and I want size of 20. Then press OK. The writing look like this. When I want to save this document, I will click on file button, then click on save as. This prompt is open. I am writing that file name Aisha, and here I will click on save button. This file is saved as Aisha. Now the title bar show the name of file Aisha. We will click on this cross. This will close the all document. When we want to minimize the document, we will click on this button, and we want to maximize the document, we will click on this square button. Computer Viz 4th edition, page number 21. We will start the reading from Calculator app. The Calculator app is a special tool that helps you to solve math problem. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, कैलकुलेटर ऐप किस लिए यूज़ होता है? मैथ्स प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए. इट आल्सो हैज़ हिस्ट्री फीचर that let you recheck calculation, recall number and even catch error. अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में कोई एरर है, अगर आप कोई कैलकुलेशन रीचेक करना चाहते हो, तो भी कैलकुलेटर ऐप जो है आपकी हेल्प करती है. कैलकुलेटर ऐप ऑन द कंप्यूटर shows number and the functions. It also shows some special keys. Like this calculator, The numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the number. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are the functions, and C, delete button, percentage, M plus, M minus, MR, these are special keys. So CE means clear entry. This move the last number you have entered. CE क्यों यूज़ होता है? ताकि आपने जो लास्ट नंबर गलत एंटर किया उसको आप रिमूव कर सको. C means clear. This remove the entire display. C means clear. अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपने जितना भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया सारा का सारा क्लियर कर दो, सारा का सारा रिमूव कर दो, then you will press C button. And if you want to delete the last digit, you will click on cross button. Cross deletes the last digit of number you have entered. For example, if you want to enter 12 plus 34 on your computer calculator app and press CE, 34 will be deleted. If you press C, the entire display यानी 12 plus 34 complete पूरा का पूरा delete हो जाएगा. For example, if you want to enter a number 7989 and then press cross button, only the last digit 9 will be deleted. The calculator app also stores numbers in its memory. It has special keys. For example, MR means memory recall. ये आपकी मेमोरी को रिकॉल करती है, जो मेमोरी आपने सेव की होती है. M plus means add an entry to remembering. ये आपकी मेमोरी में कोई अगर आप एंट्री ऐड करना चाहते हो तो आप S प्रेस करते हो. M minus means remove an entry from memory. अगर आप किसी एंट्री को रिमूव करना चाहते हो तो आप M minus प्रेस करोगे. For example, you wish to save number 10 onto the memory. To do this, enter 10 on the calculator app and press M plus. To recall a number, press MR, which means memory recall. To delete a number from memory, press M minus. वही बात जो मैंने आपको समझाई है कि अगर आप किसी मेमोरी को एंटर करना चाहते हो तो प्रेस करोगे, और अगर किसी मेमोरी को रिमूव करना चाहते हो तो M माइनस प्रेस करोगे. लेकिन अगर आप मेमोरी रिकॉल करना चाहते हो तो MR क्लिक करोगे. Some calculator app can also show math data such as graphs, charts to help to understand information. Notepad app. Notepad app is a never-ending notebook on your computer device. Notepad एक ऐसी ऐप है जो एक नोटबुक की तरह काम करती है. जैसे आप नोटबुक पे अपना काम लिखते हो और उसको स्टोर करते हो, इसी तरह आप नोटपैड पे कभी भी कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. और ये ऐसी नोटबुक है जो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती. इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर मैनी थिंग्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट डाउन आइडियाज़ एंड थॉट फॉर अ गेम और स्टोरी. अगर आप कोई गेम बनाना चाह रहे हो, अगर कोई स्टोरी लिखना चाहते हो तो उसके आइडियाज़ और थॉट्स को आप स्टोर करने के लिए इसमें लिख सकते हैं. मेक लिस्ट फॉर रिमेम्बरिंग थिंग. अगर आप लिस्ट बनाना चाहते हो ताकि आप चीज़ें याद रख सको, जैसे आप किसी की बर्थडे याद रखना चाहते हो, किसी हॉलीडे को याद रखना चाहते हो, किसी स्पेशल ओकेजन को याद रखना चाहते हो, तो आप एक लिस्ट बना सकते हो नोटपैड पे जो ऑलवेज सेव रहती है. प्रैक्टिस आर राइटिंग और टाइपिंग. अगर आप टाइपिंग को, अपनी राइटिंग को प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हो तो भी आप नोटपैड पे कर सकते हो. ओपनिंग नोटपैड. नोटपैड को ओपन कैसे किया जाता है? टू ओपन नोटपैड, क्लिक ऑन विंडो एंड सेलेक्ट नोटपैड. या तो आप क्लिक करो विंडो पर और नोटपैड को सिलेक्ट कर लो, या फिर आप टाइप करो नोटपैड को सर्च बार पे. जब आप सर्च बार पर नोटपैड को सर्च करोगे तो उस पर आपको नोटपैड ऐप नज़र आ जाएगी. आप उसको क्लिक करोगे तो प्रोग्राम ओपन. नोटपैड फीचर. नोटपैड के क्या क्या फीचर्स हैं? सबसे पहला फीचर, द टॉप पार्ट ऑफ नोटपैड लाइक दिस. मैंने आपको दिखाया था इस तरह का जो टॉप पार्ट होता है उसको टाइटल बार कहते हैं. द टॉप पार्ट ऑफ नोटपैड इज कॉल्ड टाइटल बार. दिस शोज द नेम ऑफ फाइल. द पार्ट बिलो टाइटल बार इज कॉल्ड मेन्यू बार लाइक दिस. टाइटल बार के नीचे जो बार है वो मेन्यू बार है. अ मेन्यू बार हैज 5 मेन्यूज: फाइल, एडिट, फॉर्मेट, व्यू, हेल्प. Some function of these menus are given below. फाइल मेन्यू किसके लिए यूज़ होता है? फाइल मेन्यू इसलिए यूज़ होता है ताकि आप किसी भी फाइल को ओपन कर सको, सेव कर सको, प्रिंट कर सको. The edit menu is used find or replace a word. The format menu is used to change the font or to wrap the text. The view menu is used to zoom in or zoom out. The help menu is used to access online help about Notepad. How we can create a document? To create a document, do the following to create a document about yourself. Click on format and then select font. Change the font size to 20. Type your name, your age and your favorite animal. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, किसी भी फॉर्मेट को आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, किसी भी फॉन्ट को आप साइज को चेंज कर सकते हो, स्टाइल को चेंज कर सकते हो, अपनी राइटिंग को चेंज कर सकते हो. Moving to the next page, page number 24. To save the document, click on the file and select save as. Like click on file and the save as option. When this option will be clicked, this prompt is open and here we will write the name, type the name of file and click save and click on the save. To print your document, click on print. Now we are going to write question answers on notebook. Take out your computer notebooks. Firstly, draw margin line. Mention date and classwork on the top of your page. Now write unit number 3 and the title of unit number 3 is handling data. Next write the topic. Which is the topic? Question answer. So our first question is, give an example. To enter data into computer device. Who can tell me the answer? Yes, Abdullah, you are saying the answer. The answer is typing text into the notepad. Is example to enter data into computer devices. So, who tell me what do icon represent on the desktop? Yes, the answer is I can represent apps, programs, files or folders on the computer screen. The third question, what is the calendar app used for? Who can tell me what is the calendar app used for? Huzefa? Exactly, you should say right. Calendar app can be used to organize and schedule events, appointments and reminders. Now write question number 4. What is the calculator app used for? Who can tell me the answer? Why we use calculator app? Harim. Right answer. Calculator app can be used to solve mathematical calculation. And the last question number 5 is list some uses of Notepad. Yes, some uses of Notepad app are to make list, create notes and store ideas. आप सब बच्चों ने ये क्वेश्चंस अपनी नोटबुक्स पे लिखने हैं. जब आप छुट्टियों के बाद आओगे तो मैं आपका ये क्लास वर्क चेक करूंगी.